tried so hard and got so far.
Good morning to.
Good morning. There you go. You hold it.
Hello guys, welcome back here in Filipina Blue family. We're here today in Taal Vista Hotel. The place that I started here in Tagaytay to work. So I tour my husband here. So let's go.
Got
Join us.
Awesome view, guys.
Right here.
This is a nice hotel. Huh.
Yeah.
Yep. Try to show you around a little bit. You guys that want to come and stay, I'd say stay at this hotel. And I'll show you why here in a second. Wow, it's bright. There you go. Whoop. There's the beautiful wife. Where's the... Guys, so bright, guys. If the video comes out bad, I apologize.
Hi, this is Filipina Blue family. To all those subscribers and to those who want to subscribe us, just visit to our channel. It's Filipina Blue family. Welcome back here.
Yep.
And we will show you a little bit of view here in Tagaytay, one of most popular hotel. And this is it. Can you come? Let's go. Right here.
Yeah, you show them the view better.
So probably this is the property of the hotel still. So we are inside. So let's go here in the view deck, which is wherein you can see the Taal Volcano right there.
Wow, 50
But it's bright. Yeah. Hey baby, it says that warning, 15 feet drop, please refrain from standing or sitting on the edge. So here guys, here we go.
Wow.
So that is the Taal Volcano and the lake.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Show them, turn it around. Show them. The sun's not bleeding it out.
Baby.
It's just clip road.
So guys, as like what you see in there, right there in my back is Taal Volcano. The Taal Volcano is in there. So
See if you can see the Tongass from here.
the Batangas place is right there in my back.
A little
Yeah.
bit. You can see the ocean over there.
Too shiny.
Yeah, it's a little bright today. Look, you can look to the...
So Happy, I have a question for you, baby.
Uh-oh, I was already in trouble this morning. What am I in trouble for?
I'm so sorry. Okay, since we're planning to get married, our renewed vow.
Yeah,
Do
we're
you want-
already married.
Yeah, but we're already married and we have already a marriage certificate though. So once we are going to renew our vow, do you want here to get married?
Oh, yeah.
A garden wedding.
Yeah.
This is a nice place though.
And they
And
shoot off
then
the fireworks.
This one. See?
Yep. Kids have done destroyed that. It's nice here, guys. You know. Awesome view. Awesome view. And you can swim in that. It's bathtub warm.
Yeah.
year round. Philippines, 7,000. What is this? 7,100 islands.
I'm not born background. So beautiful. So gorgeous. All right.
If you can see in my back, guys, there's a lot of tourist people that were going here to just only visit and find the nice view at the Taal Volcano. Not only the hotel, but since of course the hotel is a very nice place and very clean. So
Yeah, it's very
did you know,
clean.
guys, that this hotel is the one famous hotel here in Tagaytay, and guess what? It's 261 rooms they have here, right here in this hotel. So it was so big.
It's a nice place. Try to get down that way. That's a good view.
You can hold it, baby.
Yeah. So you can see if they can see down. Whoop. Sorry guys, still learning how to do decent video here. So anyway, it's Taal Vista, Taal Lake, Taal Volcano. It's awesome, guys. So, till next time.